Good morning, my name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. This morning we're going to take you on a walkthrough of the 2019 Grady-White 307. The first thing you'll notice is this beautiful paint. We ordered this boat in Harbor Blue. Grady only builds 3 paint colors, so having one of these boats in stocks is very, very, very unusual. We've equipped the 307 with twin 300 Yamahas. Notice we did underwater lights on this particular boat. Step aboard, I'll show you some of the great features on the 307. As you board the boat, the first thing you'll notice is how spacious the 307 is, with many features. Large bench seat across here, it's tucked away. You do have the electric sliding seat, which retracts out. This particular boat is equipped with the electric grill, which is Kenyan, and a refrigerator. Moving forward to the helm, we did equip this boat with Yamaha Helm Master. We do not do electronics, we let the customer pick. On the port side, you'll notice large head, which all your isinglass is stored down below right now. Moving forward to the bow, just a great day boat, being a bow rider and a dual console, and also a fishing boat at that. So very spacious up here on the bow, with fish boxes under the port side and starboard. Also, you'll notice through the whole windlass. We thank you for watching this video. Remember, you can always see us online at MarineMax.com.